Hi, Joe from RDI here with another tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk specifically about our Titan railing system, and even more specifically, how to apply the bracket covers as your last step of the installation. The way this bracket cover works is there's teeth here that'll engage into the metal bracket. First tip is specific to the bottom bracket. The Titan trim ring is 2 pieces, and that's made to install last. Make sure you do that, because if the trim ring's installed first, you're going to give yourself a lot of grief trying to reach under and engage those teeth. In addition, if you're using a 4-inch post with a sleeve, make sure you use a low profile trim ring. If the trim ring is much taller than 1 inch, same thing, you're going to have a hard time with clearance in wrapping that bracket around. I'm going to use the top bracket to show some additional tips. First, to wrap the bracket cover around the rail, use the narrow side of the rail. So you almost have to wrap it around the side of the rail like this versus trying to open it up over the top of the rail. In addition to wrapping the bracket around the side of the rail, you need to make sure you have it tight to the post. So you're going to wrap it around the side and tight to the post. If you get it wrapped around in front of the bracket and then try and push it back into place, you're going to waste several libations worth of time during the day. Bracket cover against the post, around from the side. And then the teeth will engage from underneath. If you have a hard time getting those teeth to engage, it might help to use something for leverage, like the handle of a hammer or a rubber mallet. If you get that underneath, you can use that as leverage to push and snap those teeth together all the way. Following these tips is surely going to save you time and maybe some frustration. For more tips and tricks, visit us at rdirail.com.